What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here, bringing you another video tutorial on all things barbecue. In today's video, I teamed up with Super Clean to show you just how powerful their cleaning products really are when it comes to tackling greasy grates and barbecue gear. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest and greatest my channel has to offer. Now, Super Clean has a full lineup of products, from a handy 32-ounce bottle all the way up to a 250-gallon drum. Whether you're a backyard barbecuer or running a full-blown operation, they've got you covered. What you're seeing here is the foaming aerosol can and the spray bottle version. Both work great depending on your needs. I've dropped a link to their website down in the description so you can check out the whole product line for yourself. And while you're there, be sure to check out my affiliate links to places like Walmart and Amazon. Every purchase you make through those helps support the channel. One more thing, if you're liking the shirt, Make Brisket $1.97 a pound again, you can grab this one and a few other barbecue themed designs in the merch section below. So before applying Super Clean, I gave the grates a quick scrub down to knock off the heavy buildup. Not totally necessary, but it helps speed up things. Next, I hit the grates with a generous layer of Super Clean spray. Let it sit for a bit. You'll notice it'll start to clear up as it breaks down the grease and grime. Then, give it a good scrub and rinse with water. Watch all that gunk wash away. You'll see the metal start to shine through. I went ahead and applied a second coat just for good measure and repeated the process. Now let's move on to my heat shield for my old country gravity fed smoker. I did the same process. I rubbed it down, sprayed it, waited a minute, rinsed it, and you can see the results. All in all, I'm really impressed. Super Clean is definitely a solid go-to for barbecue maintenance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future barbecue tips, gear review, and cookouts.